We have VPs and seniors over here. The reason, one of the most important component of the quality circle time is equality. As it was mentioned in the PPT, it is a re-establishment in a group where the membership is acknowledged. Basically, we all are equal, we all are a participant of the group circle. Okay. In order to ensure that there is an equality, so that the students or the participants of the group will also have the same feelings and they will express themselves better, we call them as friends in the group. The same needs to be followed when we conduct the QCT amongst the students as well. We cannot make them, show that we are the teachers and they are the students. We are all one among them. Okay, in order to start this QCT, we need to follow 5 skills. Now, how exactly do we do the quality circle time? We have certain skills which needs to be reinforced when we have to have a circle time. The first one being the looking skills. We need to look around what's going on so that we understand what is happening around us. Okay, in order to be a part of the quality circle, we need to look around and perceive things. That is first quality. That is the first skill we need to remember. Please remember, these skills are very, very important. We need to reiterate these. Looking skill is the major thing. The second one is the concentration. When in resilience, after looking at things, after looking around us, we also need to concentrate what's actually going on. Okay? In the resilience, we will be able to understand, we will be able to pursue things, what's going on around us. The third one would be thinking skills, where we think, where we gather the resource in order to know what has to be done next. That is, like, concentrating is on what we need to speak, and then thinking is to have the resource. Okay? To gather the resource, we need to really think whether I'm offering a good suggestion or is it making sense when I speak. Things need to be mentioned. And then the fourth one would be the speaking skills. In order to speak, we need to gather the resource and also remember what we need to speak. Is it the right time what I'm giving? What is the message I'm conveying? Is it the right moment? All these things need to be understood. When before we speaking, we need to remember the things. So the first one is the looking, second one is the concentrating skill, the third one is the thinking skill, and the speaking skill. When we speak, we give our feedback, but there should also be a listener. We should place ourselves, we should empathize ourselves. When somebody is speaking, we also need to listen to them in order to have a successful quality circle time. So we will gather these information and then we will also listen to others to have that readiness, that alertness should be there when there is a quality circle time. We would expect the same thing from the students, so we need to reinforce the same thing. Can you all repeat with me? The first one is the looking skill,
concentration, thinking, speaking.
All these 5 skills could be used. Okay, now these are the 5 skills we are using. Now let us come to the component of